How to add a subscribe button on Wix. So right here from the main page of Wix, I've just clicked on edit site and this has taken me to the Wix website editor. If we want to add a subscribe button, then from the left hand side we have to choose add section here, the second option. And if we scroll down, you should be able to see subscribe. Once we click on it, then this will show us a bunch of different templates which we can use to create a subscribe button with. So I like how this one looks, the first one, so I will simply drag and drop it onto my Wix website. And it's going to take some time, but it's going to look like this. Now right here we can customize this. So for example, if I click on it, then I can change the background here. So the type of background that people see for the subscribe form. And right here, the subscribe form itself, we can click on it and form settings will appear. Now get subscribers, here we can manage the subscribers or create a submission table. We also have settings here, so we can change the name of the form. We have a submit message, so if people submit it, you can say something like thanks for submitting or just thanks. You can edit this here and we can leave it like so. And we also have payment, so people can, or you can accept payments on your form. Have condition, contacts, email marketing, so on and so forth. But basically here you can customize it to your liking. You can also change the text here, edit your email, enter your email right here. And basically that's how you add a subscribe button onto your Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.